thekids.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do it so that you don't miss any of my videos. So without any delay, let's get started. And today we are gonna learn about React rendering. So we are gonna start our React journey today, and uh, basically we are gonna learn how can we render HTML using React. So basically React is based on rendering only. It makes our rendering easier. We can uh, basically in using React, we basically the render method through which is the method through which we render our tags, HTML tags and all. So today we are gonna learn about how to do it, right? So we use the render method of the React DOM class to show. I have I commented this incomplete. I wanted to comment further also. Sorry about that. So basically, what we use the render method of the React DOM class to basically. First of all, we import the React DOM class from the React DOM package, right? That comes in the node modules, right? Oh, it is taking time to load the node modules. That's fine. But okay, so next what is happening, we use React DOM's render method to render HTML using React, right? So we render method is a static method, meaning we can directly access it using the class. So we are accessing the class React DOM and we are using its static method render, right? And then it asks for two arguments. One is an argument where we give our HTML code that we want to execute, and the second argument is where we want to execute our HTML code. So over here we have said that our first argument will be a p tag, so we want to execute a p tag. And notice in React you don't need to give quotes, right? Because you can write HTML in JavaScript using JSX that was introduced in React, right? We'll cover about JSX in the later video. For now, we'll just learn that we can write HTML in JavaScript using React, right? So over here we have given a p tag right over here that we want to execute in our HTML file, right? And our second argument is document.getElement by id root. So we are accessing an element where we want to show our p tag. But you must be curious, where is a root element? A root element is in the public folder and in the index.html file, right? Over here is a root node or root element where we will execute all our React code, right? So this will basically execute hello world for us on our screen. So if I reload this, we'll get to see hello world. Quite cool. Our next example is this example where I have a my element variable where I'm saving HTML code in it. So I have a my element variable in which I've saved HTML code, and we have given parentheses over here to give multi-line code, right? So parentheses are used to give multi-line code in the variable, right? And basically over here we have given a table tag in which there are three table rows with one of them has a table heading and the other two have the table data, right? So over here basically we are saving HTML tag in our the table tag in our my element, and over here we can just say here that we want to execute the my element. So we can just say over here that we want to execute the my element in our document.getElement by id root. So it will we are just saying that execute the my element variable. What value does my element variable have? It has it has a table tag in which there are several rows, right? So it will execute the whole table tag because we have said that execute that table tag. So if we just see this, then we'll see that we are getting a table, right? So now we have a table. right? So we have a table that has three table rows, and one has a table heading and the other two have table data, right? And now that we had seen that in our index.html file that was in a public folder, this was our div id root, right, where we were executing all our code. What we could have done, we could have changed the tag to some other tag, like a p tag or a header tag. So I could have changed the tag to some other tag, right? And then I could have changed its id also, like Saion. And now if I go back to index.js and then try to execute this in Scion, it will obviously work, because it will work till it finds a basically element where it can execute the code, right? So it is working because we are just it can be any element where we want to execute a html code that we are writing in React, right? It can be executed in any element as long as that element exists. So this Scion element exists, that was a header tag, so it added it everything in our header tag, right? That's no problem. As long as the element the tag exists, it will work. But if that tag does not exist, it will not work. Like over here, if I give document.getElement by id root, so this will not work because there is now no more root element, right? So we can change the root node to some other node, right? So if we just check this over here now, it is saving it right now, right? Now if we check this, we are having an error because basically container is not a DOM element. That root node, it could not find that root node, right? And this was it, guys, for our first React video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you, guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Damn.